In this video, we are going to multiply monomials by polynomials using the box method to multiply. You want to keep in mind the area of a rectangle, which is length times width. When multiplying polynomials by a monomial, we can set up a rectangle. As you can see in this picture here, there's a long rectangle that was cut up into 3 sections. The width of the polynomial will be the width of the rectangle, would be the monomial right here, which is the 7a squared. And we can cut up the rectangle for each term in the polynomial. In this case, our polynomial was a trinomial, 3 terms, and we cut the rectangle up in 3s. Next, we're going to find the area by multiplying each individual length times the width and place the answer in the appropriate box. Okay, so we have a to the 4th times 7a squared. We have to remember mads. MADS. When you multiply, we add the exponents. However, with coefficients, those get multiplied. So 7 times, remember there's an invisible 1 here, is 7. A squared times a to the 4th is a to the 6th. And then you keep on going down the line. 7a squared times 5a squared is 35a to the 4th. And 7a squared times 4 is positive 28a squared. Don't forget the a squared. It does not get disregarded because there's no a's to multiply with the 4. So we just tack it on to the end. And your final answer is 7a to the 6th plus 35a to the 4th plus 28a squared. Now with our model problem, I set up rectangles here for you. You would cut them into the appropriate number of terms needed in your polynomial. So we have 6a squared as our width and 5a squared minus 3a plus 8. Each term goes on top of each portion of the rectangle that was split up. And then you go ahead and multiply. 6a squared times 5a squared is 30, positive 30, a to the 4th. Negative 3a times 6a squared is negative 18a to the 3rd, because remember there's a 1 up here. 6a squared times 8 is positive 48a squared. Writing your answer nicely together, we get 30a to the 4th minus 18a to the 3rd plus 48a squared. Pause the video, go ahead and try the check for understanding, then come back and check your answer. Okay, monomial gets placed in the width, 4x to the 3rd, 2x squared plus 8x. And notice I'm putting the signs with the terms and negative 3 at the end. Multiplying each term we have here, 4x to the 3rd times 2x squared is 8x to the 5th power, adding our exponents. 4x to the 3rd times 8x to the 1st is positive 32x to the 4th. And then 4x to the 3rd times negative 3 is negative 12x to the 3rd. Putting our answer nicely, 8x to the 5th plus 32x to the 4th minus 12x to the 3rd. Remember, we always want our answers in standard form, which means highest exponent to lowest exponent, and making sure our final answer does not require any more combining like terms. And this is the end of our video.